right, what's up? What's up? It's your boy Mike Lowy, KSM Trading 25 on Instagram. Today I recorded this entire live trade on Meta that we took. We had this little bear flag that I saw break out. I actually entered one on this wick, figured we're not coming all the way back up, and we caught that reversal. This is me updating the Discord, and then let them know because we also entered the video calls right there, but that got invalidated. So as soon as it broke below there, we took a stop for like $50. But Meta definitely came back tenfold. So you can see this is where we took Meta, right? This is where that flag led to. And then we broke trend. So like the second we broke this downtrend right here, actually I didn't sell yet. I zoomed out for a second. Let's see. There you go. Yeah. So zoomed out for a second, it just made equal highs, didn't break those highs yet. And then it continued down farther. Boom. Now let's go. This is where we trim, right? So now in the Discord, I'm like, hey guys, we got equal lows on Meta. Let's go ahead and trim. This is like a beautiful. This was a $10 move right there that you just caught. So now we're just holding runners. So we just made 100% of our money, right? This whole time it was red. It's just money, 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 money. So now we just sat here, we waited, went back, switching through the 5 minute, 15 minutes to get better. 15-minute helps me calm down during my trades because, sometimes you zone in like too much and you'll see something that's not even there. So you got to just zoom out, let the stock do its thing, trust your levels, and just have, stop losses based off technicals. So like I redid my trend line. I was like, hey, we break this downtrend, that'll be my stop loss. I already took profits. This is just a runner. So sure enough, boom, we broke trend line, and I took profits. So that's what we do, guys. That's how we do this shit here. KSM Trading 25. Guys, that's how we do it. All right, KSM Trading 25. If you like what I'm putting out, like, subscribe, ask me questions. Like I said, like I love this stuff. I'll talk about it all day. I do it every day. So reach out, man. KSM Trading 25 on Instagram. Let's go. You want to get started making money? You know where to go. It's up to you to make the move.